bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh, whoa. You're a fish?
Well, no, Sherlock. Yes, I am a fish. Please do not touch me. When you touch me, I scream and go a little bit like this.
Oh. Oh, 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 I am so sorry, fish. I just thought your scales were so cool. I've heard that fish with scales like yours, with all of the blues and the yellows, have this really lovely kaleidoscope xylophone sound. And I just wanted to hear it. May I hear it, please? It's just so beautiful.
Well, it is true. I am a beautiful fish that makes beautiful sound. I can even hear your heart rate. Except when I have lots of beans for breakfast. That's not that beautiful, but it doesn't take away from my charm.
Of course.
You know?
Oh, wow. I didn't know you could make, I didn't know you could make all of these sounds. I thought you just had the one. This is amazing. I'm a scientist looking and I wanted to record and study you, but this is such a cool discovery. Let's find out what other sounds you can make. What happens if I just do a little boop on your nose? But hold on, I gotta make the boop sound first.
That was pretty self-explanatory.
Well,
but look what I can do when I sing.
This is exactly the diversity that the opera world has been looking for. I am about to be the most famous scientist to ever exist. You beautiful little blue-finned fish, would you be willing to come up to the surface so I could tell the whole world about you?
I would most certainly, but only if you say the magic word.
Oh, let's think. What is the magic word? I need to do my thinking song while I think of what the magic word might be.
Boop, bop, boop, boop, magic word. Boop, bop, boop, boop, I have heard. Boop, bop, boop, boop, see you later. The magic word is elevator.
That's it!
Oh,
Yeah!
Magic word is elevator. Thank you so much. That was awesome.